is eating a lot of Korean food, mainly like Korean soups. They have like a lot of greens like bok choy, things like that, a lot of fermented food like kimchi. And just wanted to know, is that good to eat like in a daily basis, or is that bad for the gut?
Well, Korean food depends on if they're putting spices in it too and how often you're having it. Again, remember earlier, so diversify your veggies. So bok choy is really great, that vegetable. But if it's always the exact same thing, you're not kind of mixing it up or incorporating other vegetables in your diet on a weekly basis, then just something to be more mindful and think about.